Hi guys, okay, so today we're actually going to be looking at kind of your first rental property and some of the costs involved in that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at calculated income. So I've kind of done the current average wage in the UK, it's actually a lot higher than I thought it would, taking out national insurance and assuming that you've got a student loan as well. And we're going to use this to create our monthly income take home. So I'm going to go equals this one minus. Now I'm going to put the next two in brackets because I want it to calculate it separately and then minus that. So national insurance plus student loan, enter. Now I purposely not put pensions on there. So that's another thing that would come out normally, but I'm just doing it like this. So it's the taxable income minus the national insurance and student loan added, enter. Okay, so that is a take home, which is really nice. So in renting, I'm going to click on here and then go equals calculated income, click on that and then press enter. So that now is going to be the same as that cell. So this is kind of your average cost. So we're just going to format it and make all of these currency. So I'm going to add them all up, so equals sum, open bracket, highlight them all, and bracket enter. Then I'm going to go equals the income minus the expenditure. Enter, so that's how much you've got left over. Now we're going to talk about spending money and savings. Now, spending money, I've kind of put it in there and I haven't broken up too much, but I want you to think about what you need. So the average household, I think, will spend about, if you're living on your own, I think £50 a week on food. So that's at least 200 you need. Then going out money, so you need, I'd say, another 50 a week. So that makes about 100 a week. Then clothes on top of that. So let's say on average you spend about £100 a month on clothes. So that's all kind of adding up now. So I'd say probably average spending, smallest amount is 600. So how much would you save? Equals how much money is left over after all the bills minus spending money, and press enter. Okay, so go and have a go.